What's causing all the disk activity on OS X? Occasionally my MacBook Pro will slow down as the hard drive clicks away endlessly. CPU load is low, but applications and menu items are slow to respond. Is there a utility that can help me determine what's going on, such as the number of bytes read, written, or files opened, closed per process, over time?
From Man IATOP. IATOP tracks disk I/O by process and prints a summary report that is refreshed every interval. This is measuring disk events that have made it past system caches. Since this uses dtrace, only the root user or users with the dtrace_kernel privilege can run this command. This may not be precisely what you want, but it's a KSH script which wraps around dtrace, so you should be able to figure out how to make dtrace do what you need if IATOP doesn't handle it by default. However, something like IATOP C512 should give you something to start with. It will output 12 samples, each 5 seconds long.
It might be the OS paging to virtual memory instead of something application-specific. You might try quitting less frequently used applications, or at least restarting some applications that like to build up in-memory caches over time, e.g. Safari. Check out the various poor process memory statistics with Activity Monitor to find likely culprits. If quitting some memory-intensive applications seems to temporarily alleviate the problem, you might try adding RAM. If the disk activity is not paging related, you might be able to use fs_usage to track it back to one or more specific processes.
You can also use fs_usage to get a blow-by-blow account of what apps are hitting the disk.
I always notice this on Saturday mornings, and it turned out to be Locate, which updates its database at 3:15 a.m. on Friday nights. I tried disabling its launched configuration in apple.locate.plist, but it still ran anyway, so I just moved /usr/libxx/locate.updated out of the way. Problem mitigated.